Greetings. Made it. We got our exhaust. Still waiting for a few more parts, odds and ends, but nothing really important. But got the exhaust in. Put the top cover on. I'm gonna put some gas in it. I'm gonna see what happens. What's up, bud?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I hope the gas tank doesn't leak.
Yeah.
I guess I should have checked that, huh?
Yeah. Is this your first time checking it now?
Yep, first time checking it. So far, so good.
Yay.
Would have been leaking by now. Alright, brought it outside so it's not too loud. But anyways, got the muffler on. Couple little odds and ends we need to button up. Some little miscellaneous bolts here and there, but other than that, it's pretty much ready to go, and I'm anxious to fire it, so we're gonna try it out. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Or is it not far back enough? Should have dumped a little gas in the car just to prime it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that. See if we can get it to prime. There we go. Gotta adjust the idle.
Alright.
Hey, we got it running, so
Yeah.
that's fantastic. So now we just gotta adjust our idle here.
What's
That is fantastic. A little more. A little more.
Hi. That good?
Yeah, we gotta get it to idle. The idle screw was way off. I gotta adjust the, I think the low jet. I gotta adjust. Okay, in any event, I've got a running saw. Very exciting. I will say, the one thing right off the bat I see is your low and high jets here has that rubber grommet, and this is my first 3 series. Well, I did a 395, but my first 372 I did, and the low and high jets are very small, so you can't really feel them through there with the boot on them. So I'm gonna take that boot off just so I can see and tune it on the first run here. So in any event, very exciting. Stand by. All right, took our cover off, took our little rubber grommet off, so now I have full accessibility to tune it. Probably should have started off that way, but whatever. I was excited. Sweet. We got a little more fine tuning to do, but it runs and it sounds awesome. So very exciting. Little more fine tuning, and then we'll also throw a bar on it, get it in some wood, tune it in the cut, but we got a running saw and it sounds awesome. It feels awesome. Feels like a lot of power's there, but we won't really know until we get it in some wood. So that'll really be the final test. Get it all finally get fully together. Waiting on a couple more parts here and there. Once we get it fully together, we'll put it in the cut.